was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa. I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
Us to turn around and come back.
A year through the 1930s. The doors of the Victor's Brewery were finally closed in 1972, ending 115 years of brewing. The building was renovated and reopened in 1984 with a 48-room hotel, eventually adding shopping, dining, a new brewery, and other entertainment. To us on the land side of the train is Interstate 35. It begins at 26th Avenue East here in Duluth, which is a few blocks up from where we are right now, and ends all the way down in Laredo, Texas, just 1,591 miles away from here. This location was once a railroad yard with a train station called Indian. This industrial neighborhood of Duluth was removed when the freeway was extended, and the attractive Indian Depot building was moved by trucks to Canal Park, where it can be found today. Indian Station recently reopened as a lunch shop and brew pub. We have now begun our climb up Lemon Drop Hill. More on that in just a moment. But between our train and the lake, you'll see a paved walkway known as the Duluth Lake Walk. It begins in Canal Park at the foot of the aerial lift bridge and wraps along the Lake Superior shoreline to Brighton Beach Park, a distance of 7.3 miles. The lake walk is enjoyed by walkers, joggers, inline skaters, bicyclists, and leashed pets.